Some refer to it erroneously as art. Others call it a global scourge. The "it" is graffiti, and the remediation of graffiti costs American businesses $25 billion annually. The economic impact of graffiti is immense. It reduces the selling value of commercial property. Graffiti, left untouched, can intimidate potential investors. Corporate workers with money to spend are influenced to go elsewhere. Now, thanks to the technology and experience of Pittsburgh-based PPG Industries, a major advance in the battle against graffiti has been achieved. Scientists at PPG's Industrial Coatings Laboratories in Springdale, Pennsylvania, have developed a trio of products that work in harmony to provide the ultimate solution to office building graffiti vandalism. Two parts of the PPG graffiti removal system, DuraPrep GR and Coroflon GR coatings, the GR stands for Graffiti-Resistant, are factory-applied clear coats. They are layered over the pigmented color coats of metal building panels and baked at 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Architects and building owners can select DuraPrep GR or Coroflon GR coatings in the color and gloss range of their choice. The purpose of both products is to provide a barrier of protection over metal building panels so that any and all graffiti materials are prevented from gripping or shadowing the surface. DuraPrep GR and Coroflon GR graffiti-resistant coatings are both formulated specifically to work with a third PPG product, DuraPrep Prep 400 Graffiti Remover. Together, they create one of the few, if not the only, graffiti-resistant architectural coating systems sold and tested by the same company. When used in tandem with DuraPrep GR and Coroflon GR graffiti-resistant coatings, DuraPrep Prep 400 Graffiti Remover eradicates fresh aerosol paint from exterior painted surfaces, along with overspray mishaps, grease, tar, pen marks, crayon, scuff marks, printing ink, even bugs. Even better, DuraPrep Prep 400 Graffiti Remover does all of this without caustic chemicals. It's water-based and non-flammable, so it emits no harmful volatile organic compounds. DuraPrep GR coatings deliver low and medium gloss levels, while Coroflon GR coatings are designed for high gloss applications. Like all DuraPrep and Coroflon coatings, both graffiti-resistant coatings meet or exceed American Architectural Manufacturers Association 2605 standards for performance and longevity. Here is a brief demonstration of the PPG graffiti removal system in action.
DuraPrep Prep 400 Graffiti Remover is packaged in pump spray bottles or in gallon cans. You may pump spray the surface with DuraPrep Prep 400 Graffiti Remover or use a clean cloth and saturate with DuraPrep Prep 400 Graffiti Remover. Next, apply the solution and wet the entire surface of the graffiti. Treat the surface a second time by wiping the stained areas until the graffiti is completely removed. With a new cloth, apply the graffiti remover until the graffiti is removed, then dry with a clean cloth.
To learn more about PPG's complete graffiti removal system, visit the PPG IdeaScapes website online or call 1-888-PPG-IDEA. You may also purchase DuraPrep Prep 400 Graffiti Remover individually at your local architectural finishes store. To locate one near you, visit www.ppgpro.com.